Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today we're making, inspired by the circus. What do you see when you go into the circus? What's the first thing you see? Well, it's the big top, and that's what we'll call it, the big top. Okay, so what I've got in here, you might notice there seems to be a bit more mixture in here today. I've got a batch and a quarter, so a quarter of a batch, add a full batch, so we've got a lot more soap than we usually use because I want to put a top on the tent basically. So we're going to separate off, each layer is 400 mils in one loaf, 400 in the other, and I'm just going to do 400, mix it, colour it, pour it into the one mould, then I'll do the other one. Okay, so the first colour we're using is Red Riot by Micah Mama. Try that for now and see what we get. Definitely need more than that. Definitely need more than that. Was that five pipettes? In goes the fragrance and then straight into the mould. Okay, time for some purple now. We're using Magic Violet from Mineral Makeup Ingredients. Four squirts into 400 grams of butter. Okay, so with the white I'm just doing 150 mils. I just want like a thin layer of that in there. Not easy to do. Maybe should have put a bit more in. Okay, so we're back to a red layer again now. Time to take that clip off. Take that one off as well. So I've reduced the tilt now on the loaf mould. It's a bit shallower. That's great. Okay, so we put the mould flat. Let's get this white poured in. Just want to top it up to the height of the silicone liner. And then we've got to put a big top on, like the roof, haven't we? No big top would be a big top without a roof. Okay, it's time to add the topping. So we're just going to gently spoon red all the way along. And I've just separated what I had left in the mould into 2 jugs so that I know exactly how much to put on each soap. Instead of trying to guess by eye, it's much easier to do it that way, then you know you've got the correct quantity. So here's the scraper I made this time. Looks like a house with chimneys, doesn't it? So obviously that's going to fit over the side of each mould, and then it's going to give us our rooftop shape with the big point in the centre. And then the 2 bits that go down the side here, they drop down, this point and this point, they drop down to the top of the liner, so we're going to be scraping down to the liner and no further. So let's scrape. I'm not piping on the roof or anything. So if you want to learn how to make a scraper like this, click the iCard in the top right hand of the screen, and I've got a video to show you how to make a scraper. It's not this one. If you particularly want me to show you this one, just mention it in the comments and I'll make a video for you. Move on to the other one. So it has got a little bit of acceleration, this fragrance. I was thinking, because I didn't actually put any of the vanilla in this batter for the roof, because I wanted to have plenty time with it in case it seized up and I didn't get a good scrape. So I'm definitely getting better at scraping. I'm not perfect yet, but it's the more untidier it gets when you're scraping. And there we go. Bit untidy here, but they'll be the end bits, so I'm just going to give it one more go. Okay, it's time to cut. As you can see, I've already cut a slice off and it looks pretty nice. I'm not sure it resembles a big top tent, but the design looks really smart. I'm actually really pleased with that. It looks really nice. Love it. I think it looks pretty awesome, this one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below the video. Don't forget, we've got a giveaway going on until the 30th of June when I will announce the winner. And the giveaway is basically whoever comments the most as a written comment. Only one comment per video will be counted, but you can write more than one if you want to. In the event of a tiebreaker, I do have a way that I can choose who wins, but I'm not going to give that away. That'll just be my little secret. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this circus inspired soap making session here at Eden's Secret today, and this will be up for sale very soon on my website edensecret.co. I'll see you over there, and if I don't see you over there, I'll see you back here for another video very, very soon. Bye bye for now, my friends. Thanks for watching.